Hello entrepreneurs, I'm Praveen S. Bhandari, Business Branding Specialist. Today, we'll be talking about a topic in which directions businesses are moving. Yes, in which directions businesses are moving. This is not about which are the best businesses to do after the pandemic. This is not about the best and the worst businesses after Corona. This is not about things that it will not work or work in coming future. This is about in which directions businesses are moving. Okay, so this is about the direction. You may be into any kind of business. Irrespective of that, every single business is moving in these two directions. Sometimes they combine both, sometimes they go hand in hand. Basically, these two directions are such, one could be complementary to other one. So this, if you're going into direction number 2, one could come as complementary. If you're going with the direction 1, the 2 will come as complementary. So these are the two directions in which we need to think. If we need to sustain, survive, and get success in our business, right? So let's understand what are these two directions. Before getting into these two directions, let me give you at a bigger picture what's exactly happening. You must be already knowing this, but let me repeat. Things are getting into two different. Everything is falling into these two areas, categories. First, things has to be smaller and smaller. They're getting smaller and smaller. Second, the time is getting shorter and shorter. Okay, so time is getting shorter. What does that mean? People need everything in a much faster pace than it used to happen. Right? People need everything at one go, at one place. They don't want to spend time on going to 10 number of places. They want things to be, that the time has to be shortened. So if you see any aspect of the business, the improvisation happening maximum in this area to short the time period that is consumed. Okay, that's one area. The second is happening is the things are getting really smaller. The nanotechnology is coming in and it's everywhere. So that's one area. Nanotechnology is technology-wise getting smaller. But otherwise also, if you see, there are products like the video which I have seen recently, where a person is having a complete coat, a full body coat, folded into the size of tissue paper. So this is how things are getting really smaller. These are the two things happening at a bigger picture. So that's what is happening at a overall. So, but what are these two directions? Let's understand these two directions and why they are important. As I said, this is applicable for any business and every business. If you can choose any business, you have to align yourself in these two directions if you want to grow success in your field. Okay. So having said that, what are these two directions? First one is technological advance. Yes. You must be knowing already about this technology advance. You have to align yourself with the changing technology. Your business should not be stuck with the old traditional way of doing business. You have to find a way how you can improvise, how you can digitalize, how you can take a step ahead in terms of technology with the way you do the business. There are so many things happening around. Right? There are so many things happening around which is very futuristic. They may sound, you may think to happen this kind of technology it would take like 10-15 years. No, don't be under that impression. Things are moving much faster. Previously, if there is new technology or new idea pops into somebody's mind, by the time it could be implemented, it has easily took around 15-20 years to implement. Then the time period got shorter. Because to do that implementation, people were not having enough resources. Now people have the resources. The implementation will be much faster. Okay, so if you see something new coming up, believe me, it won't take more than 2 to 3 years to come into the market. That's short period of time. Before you know it, it will be there in the market and you don't know what to do. So make sure you have your vision set towards the futuristic improvements in your business. That's one direction. The second direction is very important. Very, very important. The first direction you are already knowing it. The second direction is very important. This is where I would think more. See, what's happening is when people are when the generation-wise people are improvising upon their capacity of thinking and behaving and implementing things, one more thing is happening is people need support in terms of emotions, manage or balance their emotions. It's getting more and more complicated day by day. It's getting more and more complicated. When you get into the depth of technology or going out and improvising things day by day, when you're improvising, this is a human body. This has got a great capacity to do the things. Okay? So, this body needs support. It's emotions that happens inside, it needs support. The mind needs support. So, things are going inside. Actually, if you can improve your business where you can actually touch human emotions, where you can actually touch human mind. I'm not saying you change your business to meditation or yoga or something like, I'm not saying that. I'm saying see how you can influence human emotions through your business. That's the second direction. Because as much you go outside, you have to go inside. It has to be balanced. These are the two directions. Now when I was talking about the second direction, you may be thinking generation-wise, our mind and body is getting improved. Yes, it is. If you see the previous generation and now, there's so much improvisation. Yes, there is improvisation, but when the collective improvisation come together, technology is moving much faster rate than your improvements. Because when you're improvising generation by generation, you're improving at least a generation gap is there. But this new generation people coming together, collaborating together, what's happening? The technology, the way things are happening are at a much higher or in a much faster way. So your mind has to cope up with that new change, right? So that's where people will need that support. They need something to hold on to. Give them that. With your business, how can you give people emotional support or mental support is something very much. These are the two directions, technical or technology advance and the emotional advance. If you're into any business, just see how can you get into these two things into your business. Just see how you can do it. Okay. So if I need to give an example before I'm closing this video, okay, let me give you a very hypothetical example that just come to it. I just made this example. So example could be something like, suppose you are into what do you call it, fabric or t-shirt, shirt or clothing business. So if you are into clothing business, then suppose what if I'm really talking about the extreme. In between steps, you can think of and improvise step by step. So extreme could be like you have something you're wearing. Okay, so see this is the kind of band I'm wearing. So suppose there is a band and when I'm pressing a button, I had showered, I cleaned myself, come out and dried myself. Now I'm wearing this band and I'm pressing a button. The moment I press the button, there is a complete dress on my body. So I have an adjustment where I can change it to the color that I need, change it to the style that I need. It's a virtual dress I'm wearing, it's not a real dress I'm wearing. So it's a virtual dress I'm wearing. And if I need to change the clothes, just press that, or remove my clothes, just press that button and boom, you're naked. So you're naked. So this could be a possibility. Okay, so thinking loud. Okay. Now second would be when I said this is a technological advance. Now let's see what's the emotional advance. Emotional advance could be wearing something that will help you to control your emotions in a way that you get enough time, get enough sleep, the color of the dress chosen that way, the fragrance of the material that you're wearing, the texture of the dress that you're wearing, all these things, how they can improvise your emotional intelligence, or how can they control or manage your emotions, how they could help you to keep calm and be more productive. These are the things people need. I hope these are the examples that may sound a little exaggerated, yes, but this is what the two directions I want you to think. Okay, one is technology and one is. So that's for this video. Thank you so much, friends. I hope this video would have helped you to think deeper into your own business. And yes, I'll be back with my next video. Keep watching this space. Till that time, signing off, Praveen Bhandari, the Business Branding Specialist. Thank you.